Hey everyone! We're diving into the world of skincare today. It's all about understanding your skin and giving it the love it deserves. Good skincare isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Taking care of your skin is an investment in your overall health and well-being. We'll uncover the secrets to achieving that healthy, radiant complexion you've always wanted. Get ready to unlock your best skin yet. This guide will equip you with the knowledge to navigate the world of cleansers, serums, and moisturizers. We'll break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand steps. Let's get started on your journey to happy, healthy skin. The first step to effective skincare is identifying your skin type. Why is this so important? Because it determines which products will work best for you. There are 5 main skin types: normal, oily, dry, combination, and sensitive. Normal skin is well-balanced. Oily skin has excess sebum production. Dry skin lacks moisture. Combination skin has both oily and dry areas, and sensitive skin is prone to irritation. To determine your skin type, observe your skin throughout the day. How does it feel and look a few hours after washing your face? Is it shiny, tight, or somewhere in between? Knowing your skin type will guide you in choosing the right products for your specific needs. Let's take a peek beneath the surface and understand the anatomy of our skin. Our skin is the largest organ in our body and acts as a protective barrier against the environment. It consists of 3 main layers: the epidermis, the dermis, and the hypodermis. The epidermis is the outermost layer, responsible for skin cell renewal and protection. The dermis, the middle layer, houses collagen, elastin, and blood vessels. The hypodermis, the deepest layer, provides insulation and stores fat. Understanding the different layers and their functions helps us appreciate how skincare products work. It also highlights the importance of using the right products for each layer to maintain healthy and youthful-looking skin. Now let's build your very own skincare routine. Whether you're a skincare novice or a seasoned enthusiast, having a structured routine can make a world of difference in achieving healthy, glowing skin. A good routine consists of a few essential steps: cleansing, exfoliating 1 to 2 times a week, toning, treating, moisturizing, and protecting. Each step plays a crucial role in maintaining your skin's health and appearance. First, start by washing your face twice a day, morning and night, with a gentle cleanser. This is the foundation of any skincare routine. This removes dirt, oil, and makeup, creating a clean canvas for other products. Cleansing ensures that your skin is free from impurities that can clog pores and cause breakouts. Next, exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. This step helps to reveal fresher, smoother skin underneath. Choose a chemical exfoliant with AHAs or BHAs for a gentler approach. These ingredients help to dissolve dead skin cells without the harshness of physical scrubs. Then, a toner helps balance your skin's pH level and preps it for better absorption of subsequent products. It can also provide additional hydration and soothing benefits. After that, this step involves using serums or treatments targeted to your specific skin concerns, such as acne, hyperpigmentation, or wrinkles. Serums are packed with active ingredients that can address these issues effectively. Following this, moisturizer is crucial for all skin types, even oily skin. It helps to lock in moisture and keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. It hydrates the skin and strengthens its protective barrier. A good moisturizer can also help to smooth out fine lines and improve skin texture. Finally, the final and most crucial step is sun protection. Sunscreen shields your skin from harmful UV rays that can cause premature aging and increase the risk of skin cancer. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every day, regardless of the weather. Remember, consistency is key. Even on cloudy days, UV rays can penetrate and damage your skin. Stick to your routine to see the best results over time. Patience and consistency will reward you with healthier, more radiant skin. So, start today and enjoy the journey to better skin. Skincare goes beyond just the products we apply. While using the right creams and serums is important, it's only one piece of the puzzle. Our lifestyle choices play a significant role in our skin's health. The way we live our daily lives can either support or hinder our skin's natural processes. Hydration, diet, sleep, and stress management are all crucial factors. Each of these elements contributes to the overall well-being of our skin. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Water helps to flush out toxins and maintain skin elasticity. Consume a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. These nutrients provide the building blocks for healthy skin cells. Antioxidant-rich foods can help protect your skin from damage. Foods like berries, nuts, and dark chocolate are excellent choices. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your skin to repair and regenerate. During sleep, your body works to heal and renew skin cells. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. These activities can help lower cortisol levels, which can benefit your skin. Stress can trigger inflammation and worsen skin conditions. Managing stress effectively can lead to clearer, healthier skin. By incorporating these healthy habits into your daily life, you can enhance the benefits of your skincare routine and achieve radiant skin from within. Remember, healthy skin is a reflection of a healthy lifestyle. So, take care of your body, and your skin will thank you. Section 6. Seasonal skincare. Adapting your routine to the elements. Just like our wardrobe changes with the seasons, so should our skincare routine. Different weather conditions require adjustments to our product choices and routines. Summer. Opt for lightweight, oil-free formulas to avoid clogging pores in the heat and humidity. Increase your sunscreen application frequency. Winter. Switch to richer, more hydrating moisturizers to combat dryness caused by cold air and indoor heating. Use a humidifier to add moisture to the air. Spring and fall. Focus on restoring balance to your skin after the extreme temperatures of summer and winter. Exfoliate to remove dead skin cells and use a hydrating serum. Remember to listen to your skin and adjust your routine based on its needs throughout the year. Section 7. Skincare myths debunked, separating fact from fiction. In this section, we will explore some of the most common misconceptions about skincare that many people believe to be true. These myths can often lead to ineffective or even harmful skincare practices. The world of skincare is full of myths and misconceptions that can lead to more harm than good. It's important to understand the facts to ensure that your skincare routine is both safe and effective. Let's debunk some common skincare myths, starting with one of the most widespread. Myth: you only need sunscreen when it's sunny. Many people believe that sunscreen is only necessary on bright sunny days. Fact: UV rays are present even on cloudy days and can still damage your skin. The sun's harmful rays can penetrate through clouds, making it essential to wear sunscreen regardless of the weather. Wear sunscreen daily, rain or shine. Consistent use of sunscreen can help protect your skin from long-term damage and reduce the risk of skin cancer. Myth: popping pimples will make them disappear faster. This is a common belief, especially among teenagers and young adults. Fact: popping pimples can push bacteria deeper into the skin, leading to more inflammation and potential scarring. It's best to leave pimples alone or seek professional treatment. Myth: expensive products are always better. Many people assume that higher-priced skincare products are more effective. Fact: the effectiveness of a product depends on its ingredients and formulation, not its price tag. It's crucial to look at the ingredients and understand what works best for your skin type. Many affordable options can be just as effective. You don't need to break the bank to achieve healthy, glowing skin. By separating fact from fiction, you can make informed decisions about your skincare routine and avoid falling prey to misleading information. Educate yourself, consult with professionals, and always be critical of the skincare advice you come across. This way, you can maintain a healthy and effective skincare regimen that truly benefits your skin. Section 8. Share your skincare journey. I'm so excited for you to embark on your skincare journey. Remember, everyone's skin is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. Be patient, listen to your skin, and adjust your routine as needed. I'd love to hear about your skincare experiences. Share your routine, your favorite products, and your progress in the comments below. Let's create a supportive community where we can learn and grow together. And don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips, product reviews, and myth-busting content. Section 9. Disclaimer: seek professional advice when needed. The information provided in this essay is for general knowledge and informational purposes only, and does not constitute medical advice. It is essential to consult with a qualified healthcare professional for any health concerns, or before making any decisions related to your health or treatment. Remember, everyone's skin is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. Always patch test new products and consult with a dermatologist or licensed esthetician for personalized advice and treatment plans. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and advice.